what if I want to create colors independently? Bakit ko nasabing independently? You can create colors inside of Photoshop. Okay? Click on the plus button on the libraries here, add elements. Okay? And then click on create from image. Click nyo yan. Click natin to, create from image. And this is a feature na hindi masyadong pinapansin, which is a game changer. Bakit siya game changer? Papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit ba siya game changer in my sense of view. This will enable you to create colors using this. Hindi lang colors, marami pa kayong pwede magawa dito. Okay? Kung kayo ay hindi gumagamit niyan, you can use this. You can create patterns, you can create shapes, you can create color themes, and you can also create gradients using this create from image. This one is nasa loob talaga ng Photoshop. Okay? So I'm going to give you a demonstration ng power nito. Okay, let's click on the plus button here. So when I click on the plus button here, this will enable me to, let's say, use this photo. Let's go to downloads. Let's use a photo on which you can create lots and lots of things. Okay? In my example, naglagay ako ng photo dyan and you can create patterns based from this. Nakita nyo? Okay? Kita nyo? You can create great looking patterns using this. And you can always modify this to your heart's content. For example, kung gusto nyo ganyan yung klase ng pattern na gusto nyo i-create, you can create something like this and then save this to your libraries. Okay? If you want to create shapes based from this, you can definitely create this and convert this into vector. Okay? If you want to create color themes based from this photo, you can just create color themes based from this. Kita nyo? Nakapag-create agad ako ng color themes dito. You can save this to another one. Let's save this as a new color. Diba? Save this to CC library. Save. Save na siya dun sa aking CC libraries. If you want to create gradients, you can just definitely create gradients. Let's say 8 color stops. I can definitely do so every day. Okay? You can just create this to your heart's content. Okay? Yan. Save this to your CC library. Done. Lahat ng makikita nyong Adobe application na merong nakalagay na libraries or color theme or any application, Adobe application that has a color theme or libraries, you can access all of these colors inside of that application.